All right, good morning. We're out here fishing Galveston. We're gonna do some surf fishing. I think my dad's actually changing right now. Are you changing? He's changing, but fishing with my pops. And so we're gonna get some lines out. We're gonna use shrimp. We're gonna use mullet. And I think that's about it. Live shrimp, dead shrimp. And hopefully we catch some bait while we're out here. But yeah, the object of today is just to catch anything that bites. So fingers crossed, let's get some lines out. Okay. All right. Trying to get the first line out. That's what we're using. Live shrimp on a fish finder rig. Let's get it going. Guys, look at this. Look at this giant gassed off head. Giant gassed off catfish. Look at that thing. That is massive. I wonder if somebody was using it for bait. Big old piece of bread. Big old catfish head, man. There we go. Look at that. Oh. Yep. Fantastic bait. Look at this, guys. Oh, God. First catch of the day. Lady fish. Yep. Look at that. Nice little ladyfish. We'll keep that for bait. That is fantastic bait. Let's go, fish number one. I got it. First. Here you go. You on? No? You probably waited too long. You probably took it. You were definitely on. He's on. There you go. Make sure your drag's good. Feel like a decent size? Yeah. Right here. There he is. What is that? It's a shark. Gassed off. It's a red. It's a red. Hold on, it's a red. Oh my God. It's a red. It's a red. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. It's a slot. Oh my God. Look at that. Nice.
Oh yeah. We'll do about 6:30.
Wow.
Okay. All right.
Wow. Dude. Here you go. Here, I got my fish grips. Let me go get them. Guys, look at this. Let's go, bro. Let's go.
I felt like he was on. And
He felt like a good fight.
Well, he felt like he was on. And then he must have started swimming in my direction. You know what I mean?
Oh my God. Here, I'm gonna let you get him situated. I'm gonna go throw my line in. See? Look at that. Old Famous right there. There's that tail.
He's only got one spot on that side?
Nice slot. He only got one.
Only one on this side.
Only one on that side, huh?
Wow.
Cool, man.
All right, early
Let's
on.
go. We just started, guys. We've only been out here probably like 20 minutes. I'm on. Yeah. Here it comes. Ladyfish. All right, here we go. Instantly, as soon as I threw it in, another ladyfish. What's that? We'll keep it, and this will be the last piece we keep. Anything else we'll let go. We don't need no more bait. We're really good on bait, so. Oh my God, he had a bite. Real first. Are you on? He's off? Dang. You're on. Make sure your drag's not too tight.
That's not tight. That's the kind of range. We're on, baby. We're on.
Let's go. See, what is it?
Right over there to your left.
Shark! Shark! Look at that. Hold in. Look at that. Wow. Look at that bad boy. Nice, dude.
He got him.
You got him. Hold him open. Oh, there we go. Good. All right, guys. Hook is out.
You get a picture?
Yeah. Let me get my phone. You want to try to push him in when that wave comes.
Yeah. I'm gonna wait for till he takes off. He'll take off. He'll take off. He'll take off. He'll take off.
Let's swim off. He's trying to swim. Push him. There you go.
Yep, there he goes.
He's good. Nice. All right. right, guys. The bite got really slow. We probably went like an hour without no bites, just seaweed. Waves got really gnarly. We started downsizing a bit in our bait. We were using small mullet already, but he just caught that shark off with just a small little piece like this, ladyfish, and that's what we got him on. So shrimp was hitting this morning. Mullet caught the red. Ladyfish caught the shark. So let's keep on using this cut bait. And I don't know what I'm gonna move on that line yet. I may put some shrimp on there. I think I'm gonna start casting a little bit shallow compared to the deep cast to see if I can hook up. My dad's been killing it though. So let's see. All right, looks like he's on again. You gotta tell me when you're on so I can get it on video.
Well, he wasn't fighting. He was practically swimming my direction.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. You got him? How strong are they from the tail?
He's strong.
I got him, I got him.
You just gotta get him behind the gills. So get him behind the gills.
Like this, no?
Squeeze him behind the gills, bro.
Here, I'll hold the rod. Go ahead.
Black tip.
There you go. Yeah.
Clean.
That's a good one.
Yeah. You got the...
I gotta get my phone, yeah. Okay, and hold it like you did just a minute ago. There you go. Cool.
Is it? You got fire?
Yeah.
Ow!
You okay?
Yeah. Strong. Real strong.
What did you get him on? Another one not on video. All right, he went to go reel in and he got a croaker. Sorry I'm not getting any of these on video, but there it is.
Yeah. We need a bait fish.
Yep, nice croaker. Done. Yep. Is it rolling?
Yeah, we are.
Oh yeah, I'm on. Here we go.
Here it comes. Oh, that's good size, whatever it is. Is that a red? Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Go ahead, pull them back. Yeah, pull them back. Pull them back. Nice. Woo. All right. That's another one. And he's got 1.2, one spot.
Let's go. Am I rolling?
Yeah.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Let's go, man.
Good job.
What a buzzer beater. Look at that. You got the tail?
Yeah.
beautiful freaking red. Let's go. Oh, we're gonna let her go. We can't keep it. She's legal size, but we're gonna let it go. Oh, God, my rod. We're gonna let it go for the clutch buzzer beater. We were just talking about, is that a bite? All right, let's let her go. Beautiful creature, check it out. Beautiful red. Oh, there she goes. There you go. There we go.
Goes.
There she goes. There she goes. All right. It's like 3:30. Oh, not 3:30. Probably like 3 o'clock, right on the dot. And we're gonna go ahead and call it. We finished with 2 reds, slot reds, 2 black tips, 2 ladyfish, and am I forgetting anything?
Little croakers.
Yeah.
I didn't need to make a video.
Little croakers, stuff like that. But as far as big catches, that was it, right?
Yeah.
Slot reds and sharks.
Pretty good day.
Pretty good day at Galveston. I don't really like to saltwater fish. Lately I've been wanting to, and we made the trip and it paid off. Very successful trip. Thank the Lord for the opportunity to come out here and fish with my dad, making memories, catching fish. It don't get any better than that. If y'all like the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Shout out to Galveston for actually producing for once. I don't know, if y'all like saltwater videos, let me know. I kind of have fun making them. But until next time, it's been your boy JMA. That's my dad, my pops, and we're out, babe. Peace.
Here we are, we're fixing to take off, call it a day, and we fish on, and we got to fish on as we leave. On my rod, you're gonna need to go under your other line. Here, look, go under this. Hold on. I know, go ahead. So Michael, reeling in my rod.
Hey, then I cast it.
Oh, okay.
We're packing up to leave. My hair's crazy. We're packing up to leave. Oh my God. Oh. Big, dude.
It's bull red. It's probably a bull red. Or a good sized shark.
What, do you have a leader? There's my leader on here.
Don't lose them.
I want to at least see it.
I know.
Right there. Red?
He's a red. Yeah. Good size. Oh yeah. Walk backwards. Woo! Nice. Nice. Another single spot red. There he is. I would have had a good fish fry. Oh, he's hooked perfect, bro. Right here. Right on the side. Look at that hook set. Perfect. All right. Hooks out. Watch the hook, okay? Nice.
Freaking red, dude. As we were leaving, I was reeling in all the lines over there because we were getting ready to leave.
And then you went to go get old Pop's
Then
line.
I saw, yeah, his line
Pop's
jumping.
line.
So I ran up on it. Look at that.
Nice.
Buzzer beater. As we're leaving, 3 reds.
All with one spot.
Look at that. Spots.
Oh.
Yeah, I think we found favor with the fish guys today.
All right.
Look at that.
Let's go take some photos.
Yep. We'll get the release here in a second.
Deep down inside that mouth. Yeah.
That is insane, dude.
This is been a crazy fish fry. We'd have kept all 3.
Good.
Right there. Bye.
Man. What a day. What a day. So I actually already filmed the outro. So I said earlier, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. Definitely got to leave a like now. Buzzer beater fish. Doesn't get any better than that. Yeah. Peace out.
Deuces.